Pastrami Sandwich Day, January 14th. Hot Pastrami Sandwich Day is an unofficial holiday celebrated in the United States on January 14th every year. The holiday is dedicated to the delicious and classic deli sandwich known as the hot pastrami sandwich. A hot pastrami sandwich typically consists of sliced pastrami, a type of cured and seasoned beef, served on rye bread with condiments such as mustard and pickles. The sandwich is then heated either by steaming or grilling, before being served. Pastrami has its roots in the Jewish communities of Eastern Europe, where it was a popular meat for curing and preserving. It was brought to the United States by Jewish immigrants in the late 19th and early 20th centuries, and soon became a staple of deli menus across the country. The hot pastrami sandwich can be found in delicatessens and delis across the United States, and has become a beloved part of American food culture. Some foodies and food critics consider it one of the best sandwich creations. On Hot Pastrami Sandwich Day, many delis and restaurants across the country offer special deals and discounts on the sandwich, and food bloggers and social media influencers often post pictures and reviews of their favorite pastrami sandwiches. This day is an opportunity for pastrami lovers to indulge in their favorite sandwich and appreciate the rich cultural history behind it. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching my videos.